It begins as raw skin and ends as luxury.
Every luxury material begins at its source. The transformation from skin to leather begins. Chrome tanning, the chemical magic that transforms raw skin into durable, stable leather. And this is how modern factories produce luxury lizard leather shoes from start to finish.
Every luxury material begins at its source. Handling is precise, controlled, and regulated. Traceability defines the modern supply chain. And efficiency. Now the material begins its industrial journey. Temperature control protects the integrity of raw hide. From processing to transport, every step is tracked. Refrigerated trucks deliver goods efficiently to industrial hubs. Arrival marks the beginning of transformation. Controlled handover ensures continuity, and the factory takes control. Traceability defines the modern supply chain. Inside the tannery, scale and precision dominate. Every kilogram is logged and verified. Massive drums prepare for the first chemical cycle. The transformation from skin to leather begins. Chemistry and motion work in balance. Control defines consistency in every batch. After tanning, cleaning begins. This is judged for quality and pattern. Excess tissue is removed with precision machinery. Uniform thickness ensures consistent tanning results. Moisture control prepares the leather for refinement. Now time and airflow begin the curing stage. Structure. Mechanical action restores flexibility and feel. Thickness is refined to luxury standards. Color is engineered with chemical precision. Pigment penetrates deep into the grain. Heat locks color into lasting form. Pickling complete, the skins are now ready for the transformation that makes them leather. Chrome tanning, the chemical magic that transforms raw skin into durable, stable leather. Chromium molecules bind to collagen, permanently changing the skin's chemistry. The transformation is complete. Rawhide has become wet brown color leather, stable forever. Removes 60% of remaining moisture, preparing leather for splitting. Splitting maximizes value. One lizard becomes two leathers of different qualities. Computer-controlled chemistry, every recipe executed with pharmaceutical precision. Real-time color monitoring ensures every batch matches. Perfect consistency every time. AI vision inspects each scale individually, faster and more accurate than any human eye. Water jet trimming, perfect cuts without heat or blade contact, preserving every scale. Robot teams sort and stack thousands of skins daily, error-free, never tiring. From this room, every drum, every robot, every skin reports its status, the tannery's digital nervous system. AI optimizes every cut, scales positioned perfectly where they'll be seen on the final shoe. Hydraulic dies cut with surgical precision, each piece ready for assembly. Skiving creates invisible seams, edges thin to fold perfectly without bulk. Lasting gives the shoe its shape. Centuries-old craftsmanship meets exotic leather. Piers, thread colors matched, scales aligned, seams invisible. Upper meets sole, the moment lizard skin becomes luxury footwear. To its name. "100,000 flexes simulate a year of wear. Luxury must last." Vision testing ensures shoes survive city streets. Through years of walking, destructive testing proves durability. 45 kg, 62 kg. Shoes won't stain trousers or fade in sunlight.
Today's reading, 4.5 out of 5 in color retention.
Human eyes make the final judgment. After all the machines, it comes down to this moment. History ends here, in the hands of those who present perfection. Every detail protected, tissue, dust bags, boxes designed for the discerning customer. Origin, complete traceability from lizard to luxury. Destination, the world's finest boutiques, from this factory to fashion capitals everywhere. Secure, stable, climate-controlled, luxury leather begins its journey to waiting customers.
And this is how modern factories produce luxury lizard leather shoes from start to finish.